Look, Eileen.
Margaret, don't take a picture of me, please. Margaret, that's not nice.
Okay, I won't. Okay, so wait, gotta get some stuff out for these little birdies. Okay, it's coming, it's coming.
Oh, aren't they beautiful?
Come and put some in your hand. You've just got to do this once in your life. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm
Sorry.
it's okay.
I took down the birds. Everybody. Okay.
Okay, ready? Here, put your hand out. No, no, no. We gotta get some food right there.
Oh God, it's stuck in my hand. There you go. Hi, birdie. Thank you. Okay, guys, be gentle. It's my
They are
first time.
gentle. Look, Eileen. Look on my hand.
Oh my God. It's kind of freaky out.
Isn't it beautiful though? Close your eyes. It's so nice.
They're so gentle. They don't hurt you, do they?
Nope. Not at all. Here. See the expression, I eat like a bird? She eats like a bird.
Oh, Mom would love that.
Oh my God, yeah. You feel their wings?
Yeah, they kind of